Hi guys, this is a video on Windows tips. Now I found another useful thing that you can do with scheduled tasks. I've just thought of it off the top of my head, so I'm sorry to keep going back to this scheduled tasks thing, but there's quite a few things you can do with this. Now this time I'm going to talk about notifying yourself of events. Basically, in Outlook, if you have Microsoft Outlook, you can have like a calendar or something, and you can it'll pop up with notifications of people's birthdays and things like that. Well, if you don't have Microsoft Office, which costs a bomb to buy anyway, here's the way you can do it. It's not a long process, but it's a way that you can do it. What we're going to do is an old trick of net send. Now what you need to do is you need to go start and then run. Now I'm not sure if this will work with Vista users, you'll have to try it anyway. You're going to try to go to services.msc. So you press enter and you've got a services box here. Now we're looking for the service called Messenger. You see how it says Messenger? And by default Service Pack 2 in XP disables it, the NetSend service, but for the time being we're going to set it to manual and then apply, and we're going to try and start it. This might take a while to do on your computer because I've just attempted to do it myself and it works, so I'm quite pleased with that. So it's now starting Messenger. You see it's now started, and what you can then do is add a scheduled task, but what I'll do first to show you it working, I'm going to go into the command prompt, I'm going to CMD, sorry, and here we have the command prompt. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to send a net send message to myself. So I'm going to say net send, and then I'm going to say, you need to find your computer's name. I'm not sure if you know how to do this, so I'm going to say you go to the computer name and it will say here full computer name, and mine's HPC. That's minus this dot at the end, so my full computer name is called HPC. So I'm going to cancel this, so I'm going to say net send HPC, and then I'm going to say something like happy birthday or something like that. So this can be used for birthdays, anniversaries and things like that. And you'll notice it says the message was successfully sent to HPC, and now you've noticed that I've now got a pop-up that says message from HPC's HPC this time, and it says happy birthday. So I've just created a message to myself and it's sent in a pop-up. So we can then integrate this inside of scheduled tasks. So we say add scheduled tasks, then we say next, then we say any program, and if we say one time only, and we'll go for my birthday or something. So my birthday is in August, and so that's August the 18th, and I'll say the start time is 12 o'clock in the morning, or naught even, naught. Next, it'll ask me to put in my password, so I'm going to put in my password. Next, open the advanced properties, finish, and we're going to take this out. In my previous video I talked about waking up the computer, so if you hibernate your computer you can wake it up to show you this pop-up, so it'll be handy to wake the computer up if you're asleep or whatever. So scheduling once on 18th of August, and this time we're going to say CMD /C. So we're going to say start the command box that I just showed you, but close it afterwards, and then we're going to say the command we want to do. So net send HPC. I'll just say happy B-Day this time so it doesn't look like I'm doing what I did last time. So CMD/C net send HPC, which is my computer name, which you can find in my computer properties and computer name, full computer name here, and then happy B-Day. So hopefully it should send me happy B-Day in a message. It's now asking me to type in my password. Okay, rename it to, I don't know, Duncan's birthday, and we're going to test it by running it. And you'll notice it popped up, flashed up, and now it's saying from Messenger service from HPC to HPC, happy B-Day. So it works, which is brilliant. So if you want to be able to, you can set as many as you want, obviously, with scheduled tasks. You can set it daily, weekly, just to set yourself a pop-up message which can remind you of everything. I don't know, you can say something like a daily pop-up at 10 o'clock saying go to sleep or something like that, or run a pop-up every month that says please defrag your computer, it's probably slow, or whatever. You can do a task for whatever. So that is how you do it. So this can be very handy for practically everyone, really. So thanks for watching my video. If you find anything else that might be useful, then please leave a comment, and please rate and subscribe if you like my videos. Thanks again.